Hey there folks, Mike Herris here with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt, the #1 Chevy dealership in the Midwest. Got my new friends Tim and Kelly Murphy here. They just purchased a brand new, beautiful 2013 2500 heavy duty Silverado. Guys, how was your experience today?
Fantastic. Everything went great. Better than expected. We didn't plan on buying tonight, but the deal was so good we bought it.
Well, perfect. Well, we appreciate your business. I'll give you a handshake for both, give you your keys here, and send you on your way.
Thank
So
you, sir.
we'll see you next time. Come and see me, Mike Herris, down at Phillips Chevy in Frankfurt.
Come visit.